Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install Windows 11 version 24H2 on your Windows 11 computer. So if you are receiving any kind of error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to system and then go to troubleshoot over here. Click on it and then click on other troubleshooters. You will see Windows update over here and then click on run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services and then find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down, here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set the startup type to automatic and then click on apply. Click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So here you can see Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. With Background Intelligent Transfer Service selected over here, click on restart. And now you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you will see Windows 11 installation assistant. Now click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on it. Now click on yes to allow. And here you can see install Windows 11 and then you can click on accept and install and let it complete. And once this is complete, you can restart your computer, and after the system restart you should be able to update version 24H2. Now still not updating. In that case, you can reset Windows update components. Now for this, copy all these commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here and then open Notepad on your computer. So just type in Notepad in Windows search box, paste the commands over here, then go to file and then click on save as, and you can set the location as desktop. You can select desktop from here, and once you select desktop, you can name this file as wuauserv.bat, and then for save as type you can select all files and then you can click on save. And now you can go to desktop. You will see this wuauserv file. Make a right click and then once you make a right click, make sure that you run this as an administrator. Running administrator is important. So click on it, click on yes to allow and let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are multiple scans, so the scan will take some time, and once all the scans are complete, it will restart all the Windows update services, and once that is done, this window will close, or you can close it and then you have to restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can try to update your Windows 11 and you should be able to install version 24H2. It should be installed. You should be able to install it, but still you are unable to install it. In that case, the last step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows 11.
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install Windows 11 version 2.4H2 successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.